In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move an item to another board in Monday. Start by going to monday.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, open the board where the items are currently stored. This is the board you'll be moving them from, so make sure you're in the right place before selecting anything. Next, look through your list of items and click the checkboxes next to the ones you want to move. You can choose just one item, several items, or if you want to move everything on that board, click the checkbox at the top of the column to select all items at once. This is a quick way to save time, especially if you're reorganizing a large board. After your items are selected, look down to the bottom action bar. You'll see an option labeled Move to Board. Click that, and Monday.com will open a setup window to guide you through the transfer. Now choose the destination board from the list. This is the board where your selected items will be sent. After that, pick the group inside that destination board where the items should be placed. Groups help keep things organized, so it's worth taking a second to choose the correct one. Once you've selected the board and group, you'll be shown the column mapping pop up. This part is important because it controls how your item data carries over. Review the mapping carefully and make sure each source column is matched to the correct destination column. For example, status information should map to a status column, date information should map to a date column, and so on. If the destination board is missing something you need, you can add new columns during this mapping step so your data stays organized and doesn't get lost. When everything looks right, click Move Items to confirm. Monday.com will process the move and transfer the selected items to the board and group you chose. To finish, go to the destination board and verify that the items were moved correctly. Check that they appear in the right group and that the column data came across as expected. This quick review helps catch any mapping issues right away. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. One helpful tip here is to pay extra attention during the mapping stage, especially if the two boards are structured differently. Even a quick glance can save you from cleaning up mismatched data later. And that's it. Your items have now been moved to another board in Monday.com.